Okay, this is week 11. This week you're going to be going into image galleries and looking at an example I have here for you to download called Gallery 3. It's a popular gallery for posting pictures. And Chapter 7 in rocks has some information just for reference only on manipulating and creating images with PHP. For the exercise though, you're going to download this link here. I'll download gallery. When you download this link, it'll download it as a Gallery 3 .zip file, and the example is here. We'll look at in a second. You'll unzip and place the unzip file in your HD doc somewhere. Preferably, I'm guessing in week 11 is where you'll want to go for your projects, week 11. You'll browse out to that area that you have it on your local host. It'll prompt you for username and password and database and a prefix. I suggest putting in the GAL, G-A-L. And after successfully setting up, it'll prompt you to change your password. Go ahead and do so along with your email. And you can go to this website here. Will allow you to edit the logo.png file to give you a different gallery icon than the one that it comes with, which is this one right here. You'll upload the change the gallery title to something else, and then upload it to week 11 and put it in the download folder as always, or in the Dropbox folder here as always. Here's the example on our course website. This is Christmas 2010 example. Okay, after you download the file, Gallery 3, and uncompress it, it'll create a folder called Gallery 3. You can just open that folder, and it should have these files in here and folders. I'm going to go ahead and select all of them and copy them and put them into a week 11 folder I've created. You just need to make sure you have your username and password for your Apache, my Apache. I'm going to use my cconcle username because it has full grant rights and creation rights that you created in the first few weeks of class. Then you're going to go ahead and browse up to your local host for the folder you downloaded it to. Mine's in Web290 Podcast Homework Week 11. This is what it should look like on the install screen. You're going to leave this first path just as it is. It's going to create a new folder called var with read-write privileges. Leave it as it is. You can leave the database name the same, Gallery 3. You'll need to change your username to the full rights user you have on PHP-MySQL, along with the password and host. You're going to leave it localhost. For the prefix for the table, GAL underscore, just to have a unique name for the table prefix. Click continue. Now it gives you a password here that it will prompt you to change. It does say to keep this password safe and stored, but it will prompt you here to save. As soon as you click this start using gallery, it'll prompt for a password change. I'll go ahead and click on that. First things first, you've logged into the account. You should now change your password to something you'll remember. Click this change password. I'm going to leave the username to admin, change the password, change the email, English, and click modify user. Now it lets me log in. Then I'll go ahead and upload some photos. As soon as the photos are finished uploading, they should show up in the gallery. Then the last thing you'll have to do is change the gallery logo to something of your own choosing, which you're going to use Pixlr.com to do that. So there's the photos I just uploaded. You go to Pixlr.com and it allows you to edit the logo. The logo is going to be found in the lib images logo.png file. There it is, lib images logo.php or png. I'm going to just go ahead and put in cconkle in here just to show you. You can put another picture in there, whatever text you want. Click OK, save it, click OK again. I do want to replace it, and there's the cconkle image I just created. So that's it for the photo album. It does have some options in here you can play with, like organizing the album. I believe it only comes with one theme. You can leave that one theme in there. It does have appearances of theme choice, theme options, manage sidebar. The main thing is to upload items into this gallery, change the logo, and then the last thing is change the title to something besides gallery. If you go into the album options and click on edit album, you can change the title default of gallery to something else fitting to that album that you've created. And now it should have changed the title. So just to recap, you are downloading the gallery, which is gallery 3, moving the entire contents of that extracted compressed files once it extracts to your week 11 folder, browsing out to the week 11. When you browse out, it will prompt you for database name, leave it the same, gallery 3, username and password of your database that has full rights and privileges, and that's going to be on your local host if you need to remind yourself of that. In phpMyAdmin, you should have a username that has full privileges on your database. Here's mine here. cconkle localhost has all privileges. That's all you need. Once you browse out and it has all privileges, they set up again the username and password. Then when you log in finally successfully, it'll prompt you to save the password or rename the password to something else. Do that. Change the logo by using Pixlr.com. You're going to browse out to the logo directory, logo.png. Then you're going to change the title of the gallery by clicking on album options and clicking on the edit album link, and then change the title to a fitting title for that album. Click modify, and then that concludes for week 11.